Hi everybody and welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this workshop I'm going to show you how to crochet a filet chart. A crocheted filet is made up by full, solid and empty squares. In this swatch you can see a filet made by only empty squares, and in this one, which is next week's lesson, a filet in which we alternate empty and solid squares. We will see how to alternate empty and solid squares next week. In this week we will see this one, which is very simple. Now, as I've said, a filet is made by squares, empty squares and solid squares, because as a matter of fact filet charts are made by alternating empty and solid squares. In this workshop we will see how to make an empty squares filet, this, and in the next week's workshop we will see how to make a filet by alternating empty and solid squares, this one. The stitch that's normally used is the double crochet stitch in the US terminology, which is treble crochet in the UK terminology. There are fillets made by using 4 double crochet stitches or 3 double crochet stitches. There are fillets made by using 4 double crochet square or by 3 double crochet squares. You can also find charts made by treble crochet stitch in the US terminology. In this tutorial I'm going to use the double crochet stitch and the solid squares made by 4 double crochet squares. So in order to calculate the number of stitches, we need how many stitches you need for your foundation chain. The rule is that you count the squares. In this case you have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, and you have to multiply by 3 if you are going to crochet 4 double crochet squares. In case you have to crochet a chart of 3 double crochet squares, then you have to multiply by 2. Here, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet squares, so we have to multiply by 3. In this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares multiplied by 3 is 12 chain stitches. As we have to create empty square here, you have to add 3 chain stitches that count as 1 double crochet plus 2 here, so we can create this square. So now I'm going to make, as usually, as you know, we always start by making the slip knot and the foundation chain. I start by making the slip knot and I make it this way, but you can make it, you can do it any way you find easier. And I'm going to crochet 12 stitches plus 3 plus 2. We have to add 3 chain stitches here that count as a double crochet plus 2 here in order to create this square. Now I'm going to add 2 and I'm going to add 3 more. Now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and yarn over, insert the hook into the 6th chain stitch. As you can see, we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pass the yarn through 1 loop and yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops, and we have the first square. We have to make 3 more, so chain 2, skip 2 here, 1, 2 into the 3rd stitch, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, again 1, 2 chain stitches, skip 2 into the 3rd, insert the hook and double crochet, chain 2, insert the hook into the last chain, pull up a loop and double crochet. Now in order to make next row, we have to, as we have only empty squares and we are going to make always empty squares, we have to chain 5. 3 chain stitches count as a double crochet and 2 to complete the square. So I'm going to make 5 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn, and now I'm going to yarn over and skip 2, 1, 2 into the 3rd, a double crochet. This way is easy because you have 1 double crochet over the other, chain 2, yarn over and a double crochet to the 3rd, chain 2, skip 2, yarn over into the 3rd, a double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, 1, 2 and a double crochet into the 3rd of the 5 chain stitches we have made in the previous row. As we have only empty squares, always 5 chains, turn, and in order to continue, as we have only empty squares, 5 chains, 5 because 3 chain stitches count as 1 double crochet and 2 to complete square, skip 2 stitches and a double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 and a double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 and a double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 and a double crochet into the 3rd chain here of the 5 of the last row, and that's it. This is a filet made by only empty squares, If you are interested, don't miss next week's workshop, in which we are going to alternate empty and solid squares. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.